Hi there, thanks for joining me again in Wendy's World. If this is the first time joining us, welcome. Just click on the subscribe button and you'll get notifications of my next videos. I have something so exciting to teach you today. If you notice you get these horrible lines across your cleavage area because you're starting to age, well, I'm going to show you exactly what to do to get rid of them. Stay tuned. There are 5 reasons why we tend to get wrinkles in our cleavage area. One of them is because we forget to use SPF in this area. We put SPF on our faces, we put it on our necks, but we forget about this area. Second reason is because if you are like me and you're well endowed and you sleep on your side, what ends up happening is one breast falls over on top of the other, and then we get these wrinkles when we wake up in the morning. We wake up in the morning and then the lines across our chest are even more pronounced. As the day goes on and we've moisturized, it's not as pronounced, but they never actually go away until I teach you how to do this one easy thing. The third reason why we tend to get wrinkles in this area is because we use push-up bras. When you push up the breast or you push the breast together, that creates lines. Don't think because you're a smaller breasted woman that you're going to be free from wrinkles. It's going to come for you one day because unfortunately our skin isn't as tight and supple as it used to be. You're going to get wrinkles too. The fourth reason why we get wrinkles across our cleavage area is because we spray perfume here. By spraying perfume here, you end up drying out the skin. The fifth and final reason why we get wrinkles across our cleavage area is because we're aging. Sucks, I know. Gravity takes hold. This is what happens. But don't fret. I have exactly what you need. This is what I discovered. I bought it online and it's called Silcskin Delicate Pad. It's so simple to use. It comes with its package and it comes with its instruction manual. It comes with the pad itself and it comes with a holding pad, I'm going to call that. It shows you a before and after. You can see here the lines across her décolleté area, and then after use you can see a huge difference. Our Silcskin Delicate pads are designed to prevent chest wrinkles caused by sleeping on your side, by aging, and from sun damage. Prolonged use of our Delicate pads will help return chest skin to a more youthful and supple appearance. It's a solution so simple to use, you can use it while you sleep. So I use it while I sleep. I've been using this for several months now, and these pads last about a month. You can probably stretch it out to a little bit longer if you're really good with it. You have to make sure to wash this area. Then you just stick the pad on and you can sleep with it overnight. If you don't want to sleep with it overnight, you can wake up in the morning and put it on while you're getting ready. Put it on for a couple of hours before you go out and you are going to see a huge difference. I have some pictures of me before. Really don't want to show you because it's not very attractive, but for the purpose of this, I will show it to you. And look at me now. Looks great. You don't even notice any lines. And yeah, it makes me feel really good. Go and get yourself one of these pads. Now I'm going to read from the instruction booklet, and our Delicate pads are comprised of 100% medical grade silicone. Electrostatic energy provided by the pads when worn has been shown to improve the irregular collagen structure and also creates an increased blood flow, which results in an improved skin tone. Silicone should contribute to moisturizing the skin by drawing the skin's moisture to the surface. This process has been shown to hydrate the skin and is an important factor in healing scars. We're simply treating wrinkles as scars by hydrating, improving the collagen structure, and flattening them out. Prolonged use will help return chest skin to a more youthful and supple appearance by softening fine lines and wrinkles. You will love this product. You can get it online. It doesn't cost very much. It costs between, $35 to $40. I really love this product and I know you will too. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this product, and I would love to hear from you guys. I'd also love to hear what you want me to do for my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button or the like button if you love this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. I'm feeling high.
I'm feeling high.